Alphabet of Birds. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, visit LibriVox.org. The Alphabet of Birds by an unknown author, published by McLaughlin Brothers, New York, 1885. A. The albatross is a large bird. It flies for days without rest, following ships in the southern seas to get food. Thus it may be caught with a hook. B. The bellbird is white, as large as a pigeon, and lives in South America. As it sounds its call, like a church bell, its horn stands erect. C. The canary, named from the Canary Islands, whence it was brought, is often green, but generally yellow. Of all birds, it sings most sweetly. D. The duck lives about the water and dives to the bottom for food. Its oily feathers do not get wet. Its feet are webbed for swimming. E. The egret lives in American swamps. For food it catches mice, frogs, and fish. Its body feathers are white, while its train is cream-colored. F. The falcon has its home in Europe and Asia. It is fond of lizards, snakes, and birds. Thus it has been trained by men to hunt game birds. G. The grosbeak is naturally red, but fades in color when shut in a cage. It is kind to other birds, often adopting and rearing their young. H. The hen is the most useful of fowls. She lays eggs which we eat, and scratches the soft earth for worms to feed her brood of chickens. I. Jay. The jay is about the size of a pigeon and blue in color. When tame, it learns to talk. Often it cries like a hawk to frighten little birds. K. The kingfisher lives about streams and lakes. It sits upon a branch or log and darts upon the fish in the water. It has a loud, harsh cry. L. The lyre bird is named from its tail, which is often 10 feet long. Its home is in Australia. Its voice is loud, but not disagreeable. M. The macaw is a large bird, fond of long flights. It is very gaily colored, like all South American birds. It feeds upon the palm fruit. N. The nightingale lives in England and is famous the world over for its song. Its peculiarity is that it sings in the night when flying. O. The ostrich is the largest bird known. It is raised for its long curly plumes, which are dyed of every color and used to trim ladies' hats. P. The paradise bird is named from the splendor of its plumage. It is the most gorgeous of the feathered tribe, living in the East Indies. Q. The quail is found both in Europe and America, and is prized as a game bird. In spring and summer it makes a clear, musical whistle. R. The robin is seen any summer's day feeding on our lawn. He is friendly to men and should not be frightened or hurt to drive him away. S. The spoonbill is nearly purely white. Its bill is long and broad, whence its name. It wades in the water to catch fish for food. T. The tailor bird is noted for its peculiar nest, which is made of one or two leaves sewed so as to form a bag. It uses its bill for a needle. UV. The vulture is 10 feet across its wings. It feeds on the bodies of dead animals. W. The woodcock is much sought by the sportsmen of England and America. It catches worms by running its long bill into the soft ground. X. The Xanthornis, or bobolink, varies much in color according to age. Its nest is made of long grasses woven into a purse-like form. Y. The yellow hammer is an English bird different from our own. Its sad cry causes it to be feared and hated by many people. Z. The ouzel is often hunted with falcons, and is said to afford fine sport, as, by its quick motions, it is able to lead the hawk a long chase. End of the Alphabet of Birds. Read by Dennis Sayers in Modesto, California, for LibriVox, Fall 2008.